Yes, Paul. Working okay, no problem. Very good job. I think this antenna a little bit better than Moxon, Paul. Back to you.
Okay, and why is it now better? Why have you changed your mind, Alex, over?
Because I think signals from Europe is a little bit more than on Moxon, and I think again this antenna is better. Back to you.
Okay, QSL. Well, I have quite a lot of noise on the frequency on my side, but your signal at the moment is definitely 5x9. You're 59. How is my signal with you, Alex? Go ahead.
Oh yes, I copy. Yes, I agree with you because today propagation not very good. Very noisy. But I copy you absolutely. Very good. Your signal 5x9. Back to you, Paul.
Okay, Alex. Thanks for the 5 and 9. You are 5 and 9, but I have some noise on this side. Some local interference, Alex. Nothing to worry about. You're coming right over the top of it. So tell me, what did you do with the antenna? I've heard you, Mark, as well. I know you're there. What did you do with the antenna then, Alex? Did you put the capacitor, or did you do something different, over?
Yes, it's very interesting question, Paul. But today I didn't do nothing because I a little tired, a little tired of this antenna, and I think maybe tomorrow I'm sorry, maybe today I only will working on radio, not tuning antenna, because I'm a little tired up and down this antenna. And maybe tomorrow I will try capacitor. Back to you.
No problem at all, Alex. Well, it's working, and you're. I know you want to reduce your SWR, but to be honest, your SWR, I think it was, I think you said about 1.3.
Italy station, 1 moment, the frequency in use.
Playing around with the antenna, maybe the capacitor will make it more wider bandwidth. I don't know really, but sounding good, Alex. No problem, and you're good 5x9. Alex, Mark is on the frequency. Mike Alpha 090. He's just I've just heard his clunk click on the microphone, so just stand by and he can give you a report as well, Alex. Over to you, Mark.
Yes, okay, Mark, thank you for the nice report. Your signal report not very strong, maybe 5x5 and sometimes 5x7. Back to you.
Okay, what is Paul's signal today? What signal is Paul giving you?
Signal Paul is a little better. I copy Paul with signal 5x7, 5x9, and your signal copy only 5x5, 5x7. Back to you.
Okay, I don't think I'll bother about 2S points. It's probably just the location, Alex.
Yes, okay, Mark. I copy you, no problem, Mark. This moment I'm using my new antenna, this 2-element Yagi HB9CV. It's only 2nd week I'm using this antenna, and before was antenna Moxon. Mark, back to you.
Okay, is the Yagi, is that on there? Did you make it yourself?
Yes, it's also Yagi, 2-element Yagi. Very simple, but very good job, Mark. Back to you.
Yeah, I built 3-element Yagi. I have a 3-element Yagi, but it is fixed and pointing south-southeast. So I don't think it's much good for Russia.
Ah, yes, I copy. Yes, I know Australian Mount Yagi is also very nice antenna, but I try to use it not very big antenna system. It's my hobby. Okay, Mark, back to you.
Okay, well, it's sounding good anyway. It's definitely working there. So it's not far wrong, and the SWR 1.3, I think it's not bad. My SWR on the Yagi is about 1.5, and I haven't even bothered to try and get it any lower. I thought like 1.5 was okay.
Yes, the same. It's me because my SW are about also 5.3, 5.5, something like this. Back to you.
Yeah, I think that's okay. It would be nice if it was lower, but I use the matcher. I always run the matcher, so my SWR is 0. And I seem to have better results with the matcher in line now, Alex.
Ah, yes, I know. And in Moxon, then Moxon also has very good SWR, very wide, and Moxon works from 2.7 to 8 megahertz. Very good SWR on antenna Moxon, but on this antenna HB9CV only 27 to 27.5 I can use antenna, not very wide. Back to you.
Okay, I think I have more bandwidth than that on my 3 elements. I think I can use, I can use around 26.5 to maybe 27.8, something like that. And the SWR stays around 1.5, maybe 1.7. But yeah, it turned out okay. I just cut the wires, I put it up, and I haven't touched it since, Alex. It is what it is.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mark. This moment I don't copy because another station from maybe from Italy, QRM, and maybe Mike back to Paul. Paul, Mike back to you.
Okay, Alex, no problem. Yeah, I think with the beam antennas, more critical the height of them as opposed to vertical. Not so. I mean for not for SWR. I mean for DX. Vertical optimum height maybe 1 wavelength, no more. Any more is no benefit. Sometimes can be worse. But with the beam antennas, I think very critical the height of them. So, but I know you have your antenna 11 meters high or 11, 12 meters high, so should be okay. And optimum SWR, so maybe the capacitor will give you more bandwidth, I think, Alex. Do you have a variable one? Something like, I don't know, 160 picofarad or something like that? Alex, back to you.
Yes. I have a few capacitor, 50 picofarad, 100 picofarad, and a little more. And maybe next time I will try to using a capacitor. And I agree with you absolutely, because horizontal Yagi need high meters, high meters, but vertical antenna is better because they don't need so high meters, only 2 or 3 meters. I think maybe it's enough. Back to you, Paul.
Yeah, QSL, that's right. How does my audio sound, Alex, today? Is it sounding, this is the Yeticom Optima, using the same microphone as I was using with the Ranger, or this is now the Optima, Alex? How does it sound? Go ahead.
Yes, Paul, to tell you the truth, today is very noisy, and I don't know what to say to you. But in my opinion, Yeticom Optima not so good like your transceiver Ranger. I think Ranger was a little better, but Yeticom Optima also very good modulation, but not so good like before. But anyway, because today is very noisy and maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, because so strong QRM and very noisy, and I don't know exactly. Back to you.
Okay, no problem, Alex. Your 59++, good signal, very nice signal. Maybe your antenna is also picking many noises compared to the Moxon. But the band here is also quite noisy, so maybe this is the problem today. Not sure where all this noise is really coming from, you know. But no problem at all, Alex. Did you make any contact earlier, Alex, when you sent me a message? Was there any DX, any real DX on the band? Go ahead.
No, not any DX, because I only working with my clients, because I must work, and sometimes I only listening. And by the way, this moment I'm making a video, and I send you a video a little later. You can see your signal report. Okay, Paul, back to you.
Okay, QSL, many thanks for that. I'll check my email for the link a little later. It's always good to know how it sounds. I did get Gianni from Romania once he videoed this transceiver with the Lisa microphone. It sounded very good, I must admit. It did sound a very nice quality with the Lisa microphone. Maybe this microphone is better with the Ranger, I think, this one I'm using. But yeah, I did like the Ranger. I had many good reports on the audio on the Ranger, and but I no longer have it, so as you know. So there you go, Alex. WX here is a nice day today, sunshine outside, and we have about maybe 13 or 14 degrees. Very nice day today here in Manchester, Alex. Over.